Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Osman and welcome to my course Visualizing Data on AWS. I am a software developer and a machine learning enthusiast at Smarter Code. A picture is worth 1,000 words is an English proverb that tells us how much powerful data visualization is. With data visualization, we can easily grasp tremendous datasets, find outliers and interesting patterns, and even communicate our findings to executive audience. In this course, we are going to follow a hands-on approach to learn about how to visualize our data using AWS QuickSight, a very handy and easy to use tool by Amazon. Some of the major topics that we will cover include what is AWS QuickSight and its benefits, how to connect and load our dataset to AWS QuickSight, and how to create different visualizations using AWS QuickSight. By the end of this course, you will know how to load and visualize your data using AWS QuickSight. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about data visualization with visualizing data on AWS here at Pluralsight.